Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
So good morning everyone, this is me riding off to my next adventure. The plan is actually an all-India ride, but due to COVID situation, and since it's the month of October and this is the last month where the Lahaul Spiti Valley would be open, so I'm rushing towards Lahaul Spiti without much of a stop in between. So the first leg of the journey, I'll be heading from Bangalore to Belgaum, where I'll stay put for a night. Then from Belgaum, I'll head to Pune, from Pune to Mau in Madhya Pradesh, and then from Mau to Jhansi, and then Delhi, Chandigarh, and then off to Lahaul Spiti Valley, Manali, Leh Ladakh, Nepal, Bhutan, and God knows where. I mean, I can barely talk. Fine early morning in Bangalore, a bright sunny day. For the last 3-4 days, it was cloudy, a little bit rainy. Even yesterday it was drizzly, but today God's grace is upon me. Yeah, my saddlebags and tailbags, everything is well balanced, and I can feel it. I can feel the stability on the bike. I have quit my job, I have sold my apartment, I have sold my car, packed my entire luggage in a suitcase. All that belongs to me is behind me on this bike.
Time is barely on our side.
So the GPS says I have to stick to National Highway 48 for 137 kilometers. It seems like wow, Bangalore was so big. It took me almost 1.5 hours to emerge out of it. That includes the traffic time also.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
One mistake was I did not carry any cash with me. I didn't foresee this. I thought there will be lots of ATM on the highways, but none. So if you ever travel on this route, or on, for that matter, on any Indian highways, I think you better carry some cash. What colorful and beautiful flowers on the right side on the road median. It's lush green, colorful flowers. Behind planting all these colorful flowers and plants is to make the road interesting. This is a part of highway engineering, because if you make the highways very boring, then driver tends to get sleepy. So it's just to awaken the interest of the driver on the road, keep him awake.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So if you look ahead, there are lots of windmills, so we're heading towards the hills. So I'm gonna take the service road, enjoy that beautiful windmill site. Animal crossing. Are there animals? Wow, wow.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Probably this is the last toll gate before reaching Belgaum. Hongal, the name of the place. Belgavi, 22 kilometers. I guess Belgaum is called Belgavi in Hindi or in Kannada. Belgavi, 22 kilometers. So probably it's gonna take me 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I don't know. My feet is wet and cold. Probably beyond this small hill range lies Belgavi, 19 kilometers. What is this in the middle of the highway? Wow, beautiful. It's a nice welcome to Belgaum after a long hard drive. Beautiful welcome. Beautiful. I didn't imagine Belgaum to be like this.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
It seems like I'm just reaching at the nick of time. 6 o'clock was the target time and now it's 5:48. Despite all the stoppages, rainfalls, still made it at time. Belgaum city, 5 100-meter ahead. Okay, let me exit here. I'll have to inquire about the address. So, where's my phone? With just 15%.
नमस्कार, आपकी प्रक्रिया अब पूरे देश में शुरू हो गई है। ऐसे में अपने घरों से। Hello.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Sir, I just wanted to know your location.
Where are you now?
I'm at the bypass. I have
Okay, just come to ask anybody Belgaum Fort.
Belgaum Fort.
हाँ, मतलब किला जो बेलगाम का किला है।
Okay. Belgaum Fort, Durga Mata Mandir.
The rooms are not that much in good condition. ठीक है?
No problem, sir, no problem. So the location where I have to go is Belgaum Fort, Belgaum Kila, Durga Mata Mandir. I don't have the luxury of using GPS now. Me interact with the locals, ask directions. Belgaum Fort किस तरफ है? किला.
किला जाना है।
हाँ, Belgaum किला. ये वाला?
सीधा जाएगा।
हाँ, सीधा सीधा।
जाएगा तो उधर कुमार को आगे जाके पूछो, एकदम आगे जाके।
हाँ.
उधर कुमार को वहाँ है।
Okay, okay. Thank you. There is something buzzing. First sight of army trucks. So Belgaum is the place where Commando School is located, and it's the shooting location of one very old movie known as Prahar. Oh, Belgaum has a nice weather. Ooh. The road is a little bit terrible though, but my bike can off-road it. Holy brother. भैया बेलगाम फोर्ट जाना है. बेलगाम फोर्ट किला, बेलगाम फोर्ट.
फोर्ट है?
हाँ.
ऐसा सरळ जावा.
स्ट्रेट.
हाँ, ऐसा क्रॉस करून सरळ यहाँ मेन रोड में.
हाँ.
वो ब्रिज बड़ा ब्रिज लगता है. वो ब्रिज
पता नहीं, फर्स्ट टाइम.
दुर्गा माता देवस्थान है का ब्रिज लगते है. जर्नल है खत्म होने के बाद वो
हाँ,
के बाद है.
हाँ.
इस तरफ जाना है.
Right.
जिससे आपको
ओके ओके दिखेगा. ओके, थैंक यू. Go straight, climb the flyover. At the end of the flyover, got to turn right. Flyover, there is no sight of flyover. The market is getting tighter with no sight of overbridge. Okay, there's an overbridge over there. What the fuck, bro? Off-roading in Belgaum. Traffic is super tight. Oh, it's just because there is lots of construction going on. Climb the. So this is the end of the flyover, and I gotta turn right from here, but I better ask. PTA battalion. Okay.
आफ्टर नक्की जाएगा, लेकिन मेन गेट में जाओ, आप बता देंगे.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
And